You know why you're here. We got a tin. We got some destiny in our hands. Welcome back to Full Art or Big Ol' Fun with Yuffie. Now we have one pack left in this tin from yesterday, and I have been thinking about this pack all day long at work. I tell you, there is going to be something freaking good in here. I bet. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see it. And we got Yuffie here, so that's some good luck. Some good kitty luck. Although she's given us her backside. So I don't know if that's a sign or not. We'll see at the end if the kitty bum was a good thing or just a foreshadowing. Ooh, cute little Wurmple. Arc phone. It was a foreshadowing. We got kitty bummed. Well, thank you all for watching. Yuffie enjoys it. We got some more cool stuff for you in the future, so we will see you on the other side.